Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most popular UI component libraries out there, PrimeVue. Specifically, we'll be diving into how to add draggable functionality to the DataTable component in PrimeVue. If you've ever worked with large datasets or complex tables, you know how important it is to make your data easily sortable and movable. That's where draggable comes in, a game changer for user experience. In this video, we'll cover what makes PrimeVue so great, why you'd want to use the DataTable component, and most importantly, step-by-step instructions on how to add that elusive draggable feature. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with UI components, this tutorial is designed to be easy to follow and understand. So, let's get started. PrimeVue is an incredible library that provides a wide range of pre-built UI components for Vue.js applications. One of its standout features is the DataTable component, which allows you to easily display and manage complex data sets. However, by default, this component doesn't come with draggable functionality out of the box. To add this feature, we need to understand how PrimeVue's event system works. Essentially, we'll be using a combination of PrimeVue's built-in events and some clever JavaScript to make our DataTable rows draggable. Imagine you're working on an e-commerce application and you want to allow users to reorder their shopping cart items with ease. That's exactly what we'll be achieving in this tutorial. And the first step is to set up your PrimeVue environment and import the necessary component. Once that's done, we can start thinking about how we want our draggable functionality to work. Do we want rows to be draggable horizontally or vertically? Maybe both. To answer these questions, let's dive into some key concepts. We'll explore what makes a DataTable row draggable and how we can use events like mouse down and mouse move to capture user interaction. One of the most important things to understand is that making something draggable involves tracking the position of an element as it moves across the screen. This means we need to store some kind of state information about our DataTable rows, so we can update their positions accordingly. Now, let's talk about how we actually implement this functionality. We'll be using a combination of PrimeVue's column component and some custom event handling to achieve our goal. The idea is simple. When a user clicks on a row, we start tracking its position. As they move their mouse or finger, we update the row's position in real time, creating that seamless draggable effect. So, what did we learn today? Let's summarize the key points. PrimeVue is an amazing library for building components in Vue.js applications. The DataTable component is a powerful tool for displaying and managing complex datasets. To add draggable functionality to the DataTable component, we need to use a combination of PrimeVue events and custom JavaScript logic. We can track user interactions using events like mouse down and mouse move, and update the position of our DataTable rows in real time. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to add draggable functionality to the DataTable component in PrimeVue. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try experimenting with different use cases and configurations to really get a feel for this feature. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we covered, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and developer content. In the next video, we'll be exploring another powerful PrimeVue component, but that's a surprise for now. See you in the next one.